Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video and today I'm going to be unboxing my Larray'S hoodie. And yeah, and make sure you go down in the description box down below and follow my social medias. And yeah, let's get into the video. So, this is the package right here. Yeah, I'm so happy, like, honestly. Because I've been waiting for this. Okay. Today hasn't really been the best day. But this hoodie is like, why is it so hard to open? Oh my gosh, I see it. I don't think it's gonna fit because I got a small when I think I should got a medium. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It looks different on camera. Like it looks like the color pops more on camera. But the color really pops, but it looks like it's popping on camera. Like, oh, it should fit this should be the right size. Oh my gosh. I actually got it, like. But let me go ahead and try this on. For the one count. It's solid. Simple fact. Oh, this is hot. Ooh, that's good though. And it's y'all fit. Oh my gosh, everybody, ooh, that's just missing. But everybody who knows me knows that I love Larray'S. Like, Larray'S is just like, put on a video of Larray'S. Larray'S would like make my day. I'm like, yeah. No, I feel like I have to get another one. But watch by the time I go get another one, the sale's gonna be over. This right here, cute. Boom. Like a nice face. So thick. And a 4 card. Get out of my way. Man! Oh my god, it's you, like. I was the first person. I think I'm the first person at my school to get this. So, like, you already know I'm hyped. Because I wanted the sister to, but everybody already had it, so I mean, there's no point getting it. But I think I'm the first, and it's Larray'S, because I love Larray'S. Larray'S life, like, girl. I need another one now. The back is just plain, but like, I really need another one of these hoodies right now. Because, like, sis, like, go get this hoodie. It is so cute. Like, you have to have it. Like, when I seen it, I had to have it. So, like, yeah, go get this hoodie. Yeah, go watch Larray'S. If you don't watch Larray'S, go watch him. Go subscribe to him. Period. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.